Back on Wick's GTO, working on wiring up the MSD box. This is our connector for our distributor. It's a plug and play MSD distributor. So the orange goes to white, the red to the red, with a lead that's going to go out to keyed ignition. Our larger red here is the battery terminal, positive. This is a ground. And this also needs to go to a ground. This guy. Then we come over to here, and these are our two that will go on our coil. So I've got it mocked up and ready to go. So now we're gonna start figuring out what to run inside. And we also gotta find a home for this when we start on the dash. Damn. Holy custom bracket. So next step, Wick wasn't liking this thread at all, which I agree, that's horrible. So time certs all around.
Yep. You get this new, so I don't have a problem with it.
Yep.
Since we're going all this other trouble.
But man, that thing's gonna be nice.
Yeah.
Custom bracket.
Yeah, another custom piece with no explanation why it's needed.
Can we just call this Zimmerman Engineering right now?
Yeah, really.
Yeah, it's custom engineered. Wick, you're an artist.
I guess so.
An artisan and a craftsman and a man of patience, because there's a lot of work in that.
Yeah, a lot more that needed to be. Had we had the right bandsaw blade that hadn't moved, we'd have finished this last week, but
Yeah, it kind
that kind of screwed us up. We got the side benefit of filling that little notch there, but yeah, that was how many hours? 4 hours probably today.
yeah.
Probably,
You've been off and on 4 hours.
3 hours on it on Friday last week.
Yeah, you've got almost a full day in this.
Mm-hmm.
But holy hell.
Looks pretty good.
Yep.
Ready for paint now.
Painted aluminum and then clear it and bolt it on. Time cert's looking good.
Yeah.
Problem solving.
Yep. Good as new, better than new, I guess.
Oh yeah. Stop. You can't even tell. Wick, you did a hell of a job. Perfect. It's absolutely perfect. The world will never know.